how space is shaped by trees. They have the biggest power of defining, shaping a space, creating a space actually. You can see here parallel trees planted, very human, very cultivated, but that's how they create the space here. This place is literally in the middle of a town, and the town is around this island in the river, and we have like the sensation of being outside and recreational space, energy and wind and green, all from the trees. So the city is very wise to create a space like that. It attracts people literally. And coming back to the trees, I want to show you from this open space to the space of one tree. You see this weeping willow in the back, and let's go there and see how this willow creates a space that is unique and literally like a secluded space in the middle of the town. You can see her roots. That's how she looks upstairs. Also very inviting to climb actually. You could make like a small shelter up there. But now let's go down to the waterline. Actually also very rare that you can touch the water unhindered in a city. But now have a look at this space. Imagine being in a boat, making a small pause here with a guitar, something to eat. So that's the space that a tree can create. One single tree can create this space. I feel very relaxed, I feel very at home here, not threatened by the city. I can even hear the small water droplets falling onto the stream, and I have something like my own bubble. And all thanks to this tree. And if I walk up, back into the city. I feel totally different. And just to let you know where this tree space was, it is right here. That's the tree that we were under, that had this intricate feeling.